Welcome back, guys. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have the DDMWorks adjustable master cylinder brace for the Polaris Slingshot. Have you ever noticed how much the master cylinder moves on the Polaris Slingshot when the brake pedal is depressed? We'll take a look. Now, we haven't done any formal brake testing to give you stats on if this flex negatively impacts stopping distance, but what we can tell you is that we noticed a considerable improvement in reducing that spongy brake pedal feel while also reducing firewall flex. Unlike some of the other master cylinder supports on the market, DDM has engineered this brace so that it requires absolutely no drilling and is a direct bolt-on mod. Now let me show you just how easy this is to install on the Slingshot.
Start by using a T40 Torx to remove this bolt located on the driver's side wheel well next to the upper control arm. Now unscrew the master cylinder adjustment screw so that you have enough room to fit it into place. Now position the brace behind the master cylinder and take the long screw from the kit and insert it in the same hole where you removed the T40 Torx bolt from. And then the M8 by 13mm head bolt goes just to the left in the pre-existing hole. Next, you can tighten down both bolts while keeping the support in line with the master cylinder. Once both bolts are tightened down, take the M6 washer, followed by the M6 nut, and tighten them both down to the M6 bolt. With all the mounting hardware nice and tight, it's now time to use an 8mm wrench to tighten the adjustment screw in towards the master cylinder until they are firmly pressed together. Now be sure not to over tighten, the cup just needs to make solid contact to the master cylinder. Now that the adjustment screw is tight, you can finally tighten down the set screw on the adjuster with a 7mm socket so that it can't come loose.
Now let's take a look at the difference of the master cylinder flex before and after the installation of the support brace. Thanks for watching the video. I want to let you know this product is available in a variety of colors at slingmods.com. Now don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. We'll see you next time.